Okay, so here's one of my favorite stamping plates. So I just wanted to show you how simple and easy they are to work with. There's loads of different brands out there that are doing this, so simply just try what works for you and what polishes. I've got a blank base here of just a red polish on my own natural nails, and I've already done one stamp on my ring finger. So you can do it in any colours. I'm just using the white on the red because it's quite easy for you to see and shows it up really well. You can see the plate in front of me has got several different designs, so you could literally have a different design on each finger, or you could just stick with the same design. It's your personal preference. You've got your little scraper and your stamper, and then obviously your polishes. So what we're going to simply start by doing is just brushing on a coat of the polish over the design that you want to get a nice layer over the top. We're going to use our scraper, and all we're going to do is scrape it away like so. Then I'm going to take my stamper, and this is a see-through one, so it makes life a little bit easier. Make sure you've got your design there. I'm just going to move that out of the way, put my thumb there, and then all I'm going to simply do is just roll this design on to my nail. So you can see I've rolled it. Now all I want you to do, just to clear off this edges, you have a like a corrector pen. This is just simply a bit of remover, but in a pen form. So if you didn't have one of these, you could just simply use a bit of polish, like a wooden orange stick wrapped with some cotton wool, and then round the end. But how simple and how effective is that? So if you're struggling with your nail art designs, then this is perfect. So just clear it off, and then all we're going to do is just top coat straight over the top of it. So you could use a normal top coat. Today I'm going to use a UV top coat, or an LED rather, non-glazed top coat. So it's literally good to go straight away. This will just seal it in, add that shine back in. But how beautiful is that? I'm just going to pop that under the lamp for 30 seconds. And as I said, you can do it with any colours. I'm going to show you also in another video an ombre effect, a two-tone effect, but really easy. The key is making sure you don't put too much polish on your stamping plate, and you get a good quality one as well. Polish wise, you can simply do it with pretty much any polish as long as it's a professional brand, and things like your OPI, China Glaze, those kind of brands work really well with this. So when this comes out, it's a non-cleansed top coat, so I'll be good to go. I'll just bring it back to the camera for you to see. So you can see how beautiful and how easy that design is. So I've got that one on there, and then that one on there. So something that you can do, and they have different plates for Christmas time, Halloween time, summertime. The world is your oyster. So simply get some good stamping plates and give it a go. See you soon.